Hey, Zara and Zaria, it's Mrs. Silkup. And your teacher, Mrs. Buford, was saying that she didn't think you could do the seesaw assignment, but I think you can because we kind of went over it. And I'm just going to go over a few things so that it can help you with it. Okay, so in your assignment, you're going to be changing words into symbols and numbers into words. Piece of cake. We've gone over this. And you wrote it in your binder, so you can take out your Avid binder and look at it. But let's take a look at this first one. It says 54 is 9 times as many as 6. So what I would do there, and let me move my picture. So I'd put 54 is 9 times as many. So is, remember, is equals, and that is so tiny. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so we can see it. So 54 is, that's my equals, 9 times as many is just times 6. Now I'm going to look at that. Does that make sense? 54 equals 9 times 6? Yes, it does. Okay, this is one we did together. 3 times 5 equals 15. Write this equation in words. So I'm going to write it in words. So I'm going to write 3. Okay, so times on that last one, I'm going to go back up there. I'm going to peek back up there. Times as many was just the times sign. So on this one, it's just going to be the times sign again. 3 times as many as, so the times sign means, is a lot of words, times as many as 5. And I so bad just want to put the equals, but they asked me to put the word, so it's is 15. Okay, let's try one more and then we're going to look out. Actually, let's just go straight to seesaw, to your assignment. We'll take a look at that one. And here it is. It's multiplicative comparison. Remember? I will be sample student. And here, first page, write the equation for 5 times as many as 7 is 35. Remember, go to your Avid binder because we wrote this down, but I'll help you with this first one. So I'm going to, first I'm going to move this so it's not, there we go. All right, so I'm going to write 5, I'm writing the equation, not the words. 5 times as many as 7 is, this time I get to make the equals 35. I'm going to move that down here. Okay? That's the same thing. I'm looking for one that we write the equation. Here they wrote the words. And it says 42 is 6 times as many as 7. So I'm going to write 42 is, I remember that as equals, and if I didn't, I'd look in my binder. 42 equals 6 times as many as 7. Okay, piece of cake. You can do this, you've got it. Okay, same thing here. You're going to write the equation. 56 is 7 times as many as 8. Wow, I think we got it. Okay, I'm going to let you do the rest on your own. Have a great weekend. Please get this finished before Monday so Miss Buford can take a grade. I will see you girls Monday. Bye-bye.